Many people ask me about the consistency of the food and if soft food causes irregular teeth. I don't think it's as simple as that. I think primarily we should traditionally eat a diet of very hard food as our ancestors did have. But it's pleasant to eat soft food because you don't have to work so hard. We should realize that our ancestors probably had to chew on rough, tough, hard food for about a third of their life just to obtain enough calories, whereas we can attain enough calories by drinking 2 or 3 bottles of fizzy drink a day. Therefore, our jaws don't do the exercise, and there's no doubt that this is a major factor in the disproportionate growth that children have and the lack of size in the jaws, which results in crowding of the teeth. You can supplement this to some extent by giving children hard chewing gums, but it is unlikely that we will ever be able to change our lifestyle to the extent that we can prevent malocclusion just by eating the foods that were eaten in those days. We will need to have orthodontic, or in our case orthotropic treatment, until we can fully compensate for the damage which is done by basically eating soft food.